What's up, guys? Welcome back to our CCA channel. We're going to be trying a whole lot of different kinds of candy from all around the world. I'm sure y'all want to see me do the seaweed first, but we're going to do that last because that's going to suck. So this one's from Thailand, right? Okay. The Pocky, so we're going to try this one first. You're supposed to eat it like that? Just chew it. That's good. Okay. Get that out of the way. Got Australian. I was trying to get this bag earlier. I'll try it. It just tastes like licorice. But it's from Australia. Okay. These actually look really good. I like this video. I'm just eating. Oh, they're not pretzels. I thought they were pretzels. They taste like gingerbread. This is a great video. Okay. And this is our camera person's favorite.
Never tried it.
We're going to try this.
It's probably
What is it?
It's probably chocolate.
Honey and almond. That's good. Another Mexican candy. This is not another one. Is this spicy?
I don't know. I've
Oh,
never
it's
tried
called.
it. Wait, how do you would say that?
That's not good.
What does it taste like?
I don't even know what it tastes like. Next Mexican candy. We got 3 Mexican. Oh god. Oh my god.
It's like a lollipop with.
That's not like, that's like the dip stuff, but
Yeah.
it's like spicy, ain't it?
Not really, but well, I mean too. I mean, she likes it.
Well, our teacher. I'm scared. I like that. The seaweed that I'm being not forced to eat at all.
Oh, it fell.
Who eats seaweed? Well, apparently Japanese do.
You're supposed to.
I don't care what I'm supposed to do. Alright. Ugh. 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 That's not good at all. Ugh. Ugh. My teacher's laughing out there. Video, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our new school YouTube channel. And that's it. Thank you.